Hello, I'm Allison Shoemaker. This is another writing update. Hello, this is Allison Shoemaker. Hello, this is Allison Shoemaker. I have another writing update. I'm working on my second children's book. I'm in process of coloring the illustrations right now as I'm speaking. Hello, I'm Allison Shoemaker. Currently, I am coloring in the illustrations for my second children's book, and I'm working on my first novel. Hello, I'm Allison Shoemaker. I'm currently Hello, I'm Allison Shoemaker. I am currently working on my first novel still, developing the plot and characters. I'm also coloring in the illustrations for my second children's book. It looks like she's been wanting to get on my lap and stuff. Her older brother stars in the in my second children's book, and I'm like, yep, she's his little sister. Noogie, noogie, noogie. Yeah, you like the noogie, don't you? Yeah, you like the noogie. Aw, you're purring. Yeah, now you want to get off. And yeah, the illustrations are coming out nicely. Oh, she's back on again. Yep, the illustrations are coming along nicely. The coloring is turning out to be pretty good. The book is called My Pet Cat, My Cat Mac. And I'm hoping that it gets released in the next few months. Oh, yes, you do too. That's why you're purring. Yes, you like to see a book starring your older brother, don't you? Your older brother. Good lord. Yep, I own lots and lots of kitties. I own lots and lots of kitties. Lots of kitties. And the story for the book My Cat Mac is about Mac having a dream, and where basically he's in a dream world, and he gets himself into trouble. Would he get out of it? Well, that's well, will he get out of it or not? Oh, the illustrations are coming along pretty great, and the story is pretty good too. So so hopefully everybody will enjoy. Many people will enjoy when it comes out in the next few months. Thank you. That's all I have for my writing update today.